Let's have a look at the Boosted app. So you would download it from the Play Store and it looks like this. Once you have it open, you go to the free tab so that you can access the free templates. However, you can upgrade if you want to. We're going to be using this template, the Fresh Farm template, and we're going to select the Instagram post format. And it looks like this. We are going to replace the picture or the video with our own picture so that we try to create beautiful ads at the shortest amount of time. So at the bottom of the page, there's a menu. You're going to select media and you're going to replace the media with your own pictures. So we're going to choose this burger and these wings, and we're going to delete that media that came with the app, and then we're going to tick and the content is added. So all you do now is you change the wording and you change the color to what suits your brand. So let's do that quickly. I want to change the color, so you select color at the bottom of the page, then you click. All you do is you hold it down and you move it to wherever you would like to move it to. When you want to change text, you click on edit and then you change text. If you want to add text because we wanted to add the price, then you just add it like that and move it to the side. And that's how you edit the delivery. So if you wanted to change the color because it's not that visible and I'm not happy, you saw how we change color and you want the color to be able to pick up when you are. Also add your logo over there. So if you want to preview and see how it looks like, and that's pretty much it. You then press on share to either upload it to Facebook, Instagram, or you click on save, and it exports to your gallery and then you can post it on social media. So you could watch the video that we've created for the Canva. Thanks for joining me. I will see you next time on our next video.